Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to Flow State, a powerful new feature in Leonardo AI that's designed to streamline your creative process and boost productivity. Flow State allows you to organize, visualize, and execute complex AI generation workflows all in one place. It's perfect for users who want to manage multi-step projects without jumping between tools. First, open Leonardo AI and make sure you're logged in. On the dashboard, locate the new Flow State tab in the menu. Click on the tab to enter the Flow State interface. Make sure Flow State is selected here. Here we can see that, for a limited time, paid users have virtually unlimited generations with Flow State, no tokens required. After the promotional period, Flow State will use 1 token per image generated. Now, write a prompt to generate an image. I've copied my prompt, and I'll paste it into this field. Once entered, start the generation process. As you can see, 8 images have been generated using different AI models available on Leonardo AI. On the right side, you can customize the type of image you want to generate. Click on the Vibe option. Check out all the available options. For instance, I'll select Pro Photo. Below that, click on Lighting and choose the type and style of lighting you want for the image. Further down, you can select Shot Type and Color Theme. Choose based on the kind of image you want to generate. Next, set the desired aspect ratio for your image. You can choose square or customize it for different social media platforms. If you want Leonardo AI to refine your prompt, leave the Prompt Enhance option enabled. Keep private mode on if you want the generated images to remain private. After selecting your desired characteristics, generate the images again. 8 new images have been generated, and they look amazing. If we scroll down, Leonardo will generate another 8 images. Now, here's where Flow State shines. Select the image that suits you best, and Leonardo AI will continue generating similar images based on your selection. Hover over the desired image, and you'll see a button labeled More like this. Click on it. After the first round of generation, we now have results from the second round, and all resemble the initially selected image. You can repeat this generation process once more in Flow State mode. And that's it. Download the images you like or save them to your library. But don't forget to save, so you don't lose your desired image. The Flow State feature is a game changer for anyone looking to take their AI creations to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on Leonardo AI and other creative tools. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!